Oh, this is beautiful. This is where the elderly comes to bathe in this little pool of water. Joe has brought his good friend here, and we came. You sit on the rocks and you just let the water splash on you. This is beautiful. It's a little rough. Here it comes. It's a little rough, but it's nice. Sean is taking a cowboy bath. Hey Sean, you're taking a cowboy bath.
Bath for the day.
That's his bath for the day.
Second bath.
Oh, your second? Oh my goodness, the water is just rushing in. This is beautiful. Joe is wetting down his knees. He's an old man. He's got to get all the aches and pains out with the seawater. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. There's an aerial view. There we go. And we're up on the rocks. The road is that way. I'm doing a 360 view. This is a rocky area. Lots of stones. But loving it. Okay, that's all for now.